Hello YouTube and welcome to Let's Play 7 Days Without Rain. Now, I was just going on Armor Games and looking for a game to play since my last Five Nights at Freddy's recording died tragically. uh, all I know about this game is that it's about a thief and it's puzzle and it's point and click and that's I think that's what's going on, so I guess let's start it. Okay, let's go. Use mouse to control the hero, guide him as he tries to make the world a better place. Okay. This person's dead. That's good. Oh, okay. I thought they weren't dead. I thought we were talking to them for a second. Okay. Let's go. Unlock the door. Yep, seems cool. Hello, person. I'll talk to you. Listen to me. Huh? I don't know what that means. Oh, it's lockpicking mechanism. It's this thingy and this thingy plus this thingy equals mouse unlock. Or unlock the thingy. The door and the key, something. Okay, let's go. Okay, let's go over here. Boop. Click the mouse at the right moment. Oh shoot, okay, that's not good. Okay, let's try that again. Yeah. Oh shit. Fuck. Best at lockpicking ever. Oh shit. You know what? You know what? There we go. Success! I found a purse of gold coins. Huh, I'm rich. Why is there all that money in there? Okay, whatever. The next day. I see the weary traveler. He is a perfect target for my training. Okay, let's go to this guy. Are we gonna rob the shit out of him? Yeah. Okay, try to keep the object in the circle. Is this how pickpocketing works? Is this how it is in real life? Is this how it do? Oh shit, fuck. Okay, that worked. Let's go next. Oh, fuck! You know what? You know what? God damn it! Okay, let's go. Come on. Keep it in that circle. Oh god. Oh, god damn it. Damn you! Okay. Let's try this again. Oh god damn it! I was at 75%. Okay, let's try this again. This isn't supposed to be a rage game, god damn it. No. Almost there. Come on. Yay! Good job, and now I need a rest. Oh, was that really that tiring? Okay, let's go. Back into the house. Go. Oh, where'd the guy go? Did he die? Okay, whatever. Let's pretend that never happened. The next day. Not yet. We need to look at this cactus. To unlock this. Boop. Boop. Oh god. Boop. 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 There we go. Yeah, unlocked that like a pro. I found a diamond. Okay, now what? Let's go over here. Is there anything over here? No? Okay. Yeah, let's sleep. Not yet. Okay, now we can go out. Oh, well, the setting changed drastically. Hello, lady. Very nice hair you have there. I lost my wedding diamond ring. My husband works so hard, but he doesn't find any more diamonds. Give the diamond to her. Give the diamond. Oh, wait. Oh, he's gonna get the diamond? He's gonna get the credit for my hard work? Why would I wanna... Oh, okay. Click to... Okay, so we just gotta drag it through this maze here. I have a bad feeling about this. What if it's like the maze game? What if there's a jump scare? Huh? Ooh. Okay, we got this. Come on. Ah, ooh. Okay, almost. And boom. Success! Okay, it's time to rest again. Go. Wow, you get tired out really quickly, don't you, sir? Go. Okay, go to sleep. Good night. The next day. Boop. Go. Not yet. Do I need to go in my closet again? My closet that's full of crap. Boop. Oh god. Okay, that didn't work. Go. 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 Yeah! I did it. I have found candy. What do you keep in that freaking closet? The closet is mysterious. Ah, Halloween today. Time for sweets. Okay. It's almost Halloween today. Good. Hello, child. Why am I stealing your candy? No, I don't want to do that. Get out of there. I'm gonna steal your candy. Hello, you. I don't want to steal your candy. Fine, I guess I'll have to steal your candy. Why are you talking in emoticons? You don't make any sense. It's not a language I understand. Okay, come on. Let's go. Oh, shit. Come on. Let's go. Okay, that was my fault. Let's go. No! That's bad. No fair. Stop that. Stop. Stop that. Oh, okay. Stole your candy. Thank you. Okay, steal your candy. I don't even care. I'll just take all these little kids' candies. I don't even. Oh, fuck. Well, instant karma. How do they not notice me? Just like I'm just standing here. They're talking to each other. I'm just like, oh, just don't mind me. Just ruffle my hand around your bag. Oh, no, I don't think I like that. I like this brand name of candy better than that brand name. And I'm just standing in front of him. He just doesn't even notice. Okay, thanks for the candy. Goodbye. Or am I giving them candy? I don't know. I think I'm taking candy from them. Yay! My job is done. Time to rest. Did I give them candy or did I take candy from them? Oh, he's happy. Good. Let's go. All these kids and their newfangled devices. Next day. Okay, so let's go to our closet of wonders. Okay. Oh, okay, I got that. I didn't think I was gonna go. God. Boop. Oh, shit. 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 God damn it. Okay, try that again. Boop. 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 Oh, okay, that didn't work. Okay, you gotta stop doing that. This is not how lockpicking works. I'm gonna be insistent about that. Nah, no. Bad. Bad. Huh? Ooh. Yeah, did it. Success. I have found a heart. Oh, God. Some kind of murderer keeping hearts in my closet. I'm in a dream? Look at this giant mushroom. Can I do nothing about the mushroom? Okay, there's an ant here. Hello, ant. Find all pairs. Okay, cool. I like matching. Okay. Oh, I don't like this limited amount of matching phenomenon. Okay, I failed that. Okay, take two. Is it the same every time? Oh, is it like that? This? Nope. Oh, shit. Fuck. Oh, look, I found a pair. Good. Uh-oh. Huh? Oh, ooh, I got it. No. Oh, fuck. Well, that failed. Oh, okay, we got this. Oh, we got this. Huh? Oh, we got this. Huh? Oh. Okay, alright, we got this. There we go. Yes, I did it! Woo! Success! I have no idea what it could be. I need to end this day. Dude, you just got up. What did you even do with the heart that you got? Sir, I don't know what you're doing right now. Okay, get in there. The next day, okay, next day. Okay, let's go back to our closet. I wonder what could be in here this time. A lockpicking game? Oh, I didn't even think about that. Oh, shit, fuck. How did I even get that first one? Okay, not gonna question it. Never mind. Boop. 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 Oh, God. Come on, you can do this. You can do this, Mr. Lockpicking man. There. Huh. No. Boop. No, God damn it. Damn you! Wah! Oh, God. Come on. Come on. No! You know what? You can go fuck yourself. Ha! Yay! Did it! Success! I found strange modules, whatever those things are. Little green sperms. What is this? Another dream? I don't know. Is there a code in here? god. I hate these kinds of puzzles. No, I don't want to. I don't want to. I want to leave this puzzle. Now I'm stuck in it forever. I can't even go talk to that guy. Not even if I wanted to. Well, he's asleep. I probably couldn't talk to him anyway. Oh, what did I do? Okay, so I think I might know how to do this now. Oh, okay. So, nope. This one. Hey, no, that didn't work. Okay. So we'll try to get all but 2 side by side activated. Okay, shut up. No, I don't want that. Go away. Okay, so now we boop and boop. Yeah, did it! It works! What works? What did I do? Hello? What did I do? I don't understand. Why did I do that? Okay, whatever. I guess we're going back inside. Let's go. Good night. The next day. Valentine's Day is the name of the day. Do we have a Valentine? Oh, God. That wasn't right. This is not right. It's not right. It's not. This is 0% of right. Screw you. Yeah, screw you. You heard me. I don't care how many times you make me fail. Still, screw you. Yay, we did it! Okay. I have found a ring. Am I gonna ask somebody to marry me on Valentine's Day? Nice going. This couple looks great together. What? Does he not have a ring? What walls? What? What am I doing? Oh, I see what's going on here. Ah. I understand now. Oh, never mind. Oh, just run away from you. Goodbye. Good luck. Well, why do I have his ring? I don't understand. Shouldn't he have his ring, like, in his pocket or something? Did I steal it from him? Whoopsie. Hey, it wasn't my decision. It was my character's decision. Oh, no. Oh. No, slide easily. Easily slide. Huh? Okay, we're gonna... Oh, god damn it! We were so close and I had to move my mouse. Oh yeah, slide it down. Slide it real nice. Slide it over that line. Here. Around the corner. I need to move my mouse again, but I can't because it'll die if I do. Boop. Ha. Ha. Oh, almost there. Ha. I sound like Link now. Oh. Yeah! Success! Piece of shit. You already know what to do next. Can I go into their house? No? Can I not? Okay. Well, I guess I'm not going to do that then. Okay, let's go. Next. Good night. The next day. Tonight. Oh, God. I'm scared to see what's gonna happen with our freaking... This is like hell. Hell on earth. You know what? I'm getting sick and tired of your bullshit. Ha! No. Okay, fuck you then. Yeah, fuck you. Fuck you. Fuck you. Fuck you. Fuck you. Fuck you. Okay. It said 7 days without rain. We've already made it past 7 days, right? So does that mean we have rain now? Okay, well, I hate you. Thanks. Nope, never mind. Never mind. Never mind. I didn't want to do that anyway. That's cool. I don't even have anything to say about this stupid fucking puzzle anymore. Come on, I could do it all those times before. I should be able to do this now. Yes! Woo! Okay, I found a key. Good. Let's get out of here. Hello. How are you? Uh-oh. Oh. Are you kidding me? No! I was just returning your key to you, dude. I don't... Oh no! No, it's a never-ending cycle! No! I'm sorry, previous me. You're just trapped in this hell forever. I tried to make the world a better place and all I got was death. Wow, that's depressing. That's... Well, that was 7 days without rain. If you like this video, then I guess, leave a like and a comment and do all that. Yeah, if you like the game and want to try it for yourself, then click the description, or click the link in the description. And I hope to see you next time. Bye!